guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to say thank you for all the support that you guys have been giving me. Thank you so much. I see the movie I climb, I see all of the set them while I watch the channel. I just want to say thank you guys. I can't even know how to thank you because you are I could even reach this far without Uno. You understand what I say? So guys, before me get into the video, I just want to know if you like, subscribe if you're new, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Yeah, how can this be possible? Alright guys, you ever see like evil probably see it on TV or on the internet, and then is that when I check it out it's real. Anyway, I've been going on this platform, and it's like me see this video pop up of this gentleman who literally birthed a child. When me see the video, I was like, oh my god, I forget where done deep in this. It's like, I'm gonna go deeper into the thing now and check out the profile of the person. Guys, the man literally carried the pregnancy throughout the months. Yeah. So when I check it out, I'm a mother and father to his son. Oh my god, this is so unbelievable. When me see, I couldn't even believe. Say this real. Oh, you get pregnant. Like, stop. Pause for a while and think about this. Oh, him really get pregnant though? When me do a down check now, me I hear say the man them put in the egg in him and they inject the sperm to the egg, something like so. So when he ready for a baby, then cut him. I cut him get for choke. I there no way if you push up baby. But damn, this man even start grow breasts, yo, like, oh my god, this flat chest. Just imagine, man start grow breasts with milk, man. It's scary, but it's so unbelievable and amazing at the same time. Damn. Oh my god. Damn. It's sad, you know? It's sad and it's nice same time. You know? Cause I mean, why would I want to birth your own child as a man? How man supposed to do that, bro? You know? Like, how? Then again, now when me the first start, I look through the platform and see the video and something. It's like at one point, but they believe say I like in go with somebody, you know, and got that baby thing going. Right? But me realize say it's some inject business, but it weird though. And guys, I'm gonna show you all the picture that I have screenshot and thing. I want to know if you see it for yourself. And you see if you see the baby? The baby nice, the baby bouncy. When me say from belly stage, the man I take picture and I do video till baby born and I walk. Damn, you want to see the baby nice? Like any woman I take care of the pitney, you know? My God, I never know say man could have really, you know what? Get breasts and feed baby through breasts. Jesus Christ, man in a labor. It's shocking. It's shocking. At one point though, me did feel like say, yo, all of these gays that is doing all those stuff, them need to stop. Because baby I go come in. Because baby I go come in. And that me did feel so first, you know, guys. Yeah, that me did feel so first. Like literally that me did feel so. First. Then me I say, yo, them man have to be careful now because they may get breed. Yeah, that me just say. Then guys, stick up in now and really look into this. I don't know if I did say go fit through a whole heap of meal out of that happy. Do the maths. Just imagine if they could I get pregnant the way they a whole heap of meal would have happen, you know? And then you would have see man a walk on road with them baby like this. And you would have just look so weird. Oh my God, but I just want to say congratulations to that person, to that male who deliver him bouncy baby boy. I can't condemn you because I don't know what you've been through and what you're going through. I don't know if you have bad times with female or whatever. You just decide to look here, you don't want nothing to do with no woman. You know what, I'm never woman if you have your pitney. So you have to try if you have your pitney yourself. I don't know if that's so be the case. But I just want to say congrats. You make it true. And you never did. Because it is not an easy road, my friend. Whether cut or push is not an easy road. And I just hope your friends them and your family believe in you to see you make your own choice and comfortable with your own choices. So all hope your friends and family, you know, still love you, you know. Did they feel said we and did they feel the baby said we and all of them something there? And damn, would I really want to ask this question though, how it feel throughout the 9 months? For you walk with the weight they can man never make fee. Fi all him something, you know. So you know what say, me know it's difficult for you. Oh, your cravings go. Damn, I got a lot of questions for you, sweetie. How your cravings work out for you? Like you feel for this, you feel for that, you feel for this, you feel for that. And normally pregnant female, sometimes we want a whole heap of sex, sometimes we don't want no sex. You did feel no type of way like you want. I have so many questions for you. You did feel no type of way like you want to have sex same way? Like, I got whole heap of question for you. One whole heap. But me not bash you as I say, I'm with you 100% because this is the first I ever see them as in history. All of the rumors that me hear, me see this now with my own eye. I know you can't make up so much video and make up so much picture and not possible. So guys, I come to the end of the video and I just want to say, leave a comment down below and tell me if you never hear of a male give birth yet. Me not talk not want to hear say no. Me talk something no sure but no read or you know. And you know, if you should ever come across my video at any point, feel free to leave a comment, sir. Yes, baby mother, baby daddy, feel free to leave a comment down below and tell me how you feel throughout the 9 months. You did want sex, you didn't want sex. How your cravings were like. Just explain a little and tell me and tell you. If you know what, tell the people want to know what I want to. And I don't know me alone want maybe want to ask this question. Alright? So have a blessed day everyone, and please remember to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe if you're new. Yeah. So Peace out, guys.